In this chapter, I will talk to you about one of the websites that I spent several months developing, but ended up being somewhat of a waste of time. I say somewhat because it's never really a waste of time if you learn from it, and I learned a lot of things through that project. The saying goes, some you win and some you learn. So what was the mistake? Well, I figured that if I connect to all the affiliate companies that I can find, and create a website that shows all the clothes from all the systems, from all the companies in one place, and then give the people the ability to search for what they wanted by categorizing it and putting on some filters so that the user could set a price range, a brand, store, and so on. The reason I thought that it would be easy to get traffic to a website like this is that it went along with my philosophy of creating websites with many subpages. I figured that I'll create a subpage for every product, which I did, and I ended up having 200,000 subpages. Naturally, I thought that I can't fail when I have this many subpages. I have to win the numbers game, right? Wrong. Obviously, I wasn't the first one that had thought of a website like this. Google has a name for them. They call them doorway sites. Doorway sites are simply pages that Google does not feel contribute anything new to the internet. Their point of view is that my site does nothing but show the same product that is already available at the original shop. For that reason, my website only has a few visitors a day despite the amount of content on it. And in the end, they might be right. Even if I initially thought that my filtering options would be enough of a contribution to the internet, and therefore it wouldn't be considered a doorway site, obviously I was wrong. There I shared a little information about what kinds of sites not to make. If you want to use affiliate system content, you will need to do way more than I did. If you use some imagination, I'm sure that there's a way to make that work as well. I just haven't figured it out yet, but I do have some ideas. Take this little lesson with you when you move forward, and don't repeat my mistakes. I'll see you in the next chapter.